Saturday. It's one after another. It's a fucking drone. It looks like airplanes. Fucking deal. I'm telling you. The lights that just stay on. I seem to just do the weirdest shit. But what's getting me is the hologram part of it. I mean, it's really hurting my eyes, making my eyes just. I can't focus on anything. I'm gonna run inside and get these rabbits cleaned up for dinner. Try to get fucking camera going. I don't know what happened. Oh, right here we got one moving pretty good. But like, right, I can't even look at my phone right now. It's got my right side eye so fucked up that I can't focus on anything. Like if I get out, because it's just a bunch of them, you know. And I mean, they're beaming the fucking microwave shit down, and fucking it hurts my eyes, makes my eyes go fucking nuts. I can't drive at night. People could, everybody's allowed to have their opinion. It's a wonderful thing about being humans. But for people to say that people are going through this are delusional, I have no idea, and they're fucking pricks.